What the haters talking about?
What's up, family? Word to the wise. Intentionally coughing inside of a crowded elevator could be hazardous to your health, as witnessed by one said cougher. The whole pandemonium started when a man got inside of an elevator where there was 3 people already in, where he tried to get inside of the elevator. Initially, one guy in the elevator waves him off. Everything appears to be normal until right before the elevator door closes, this guy sticks his foot in and then he walks inside. This is when they started giving him the verbal business. He was catching a verbal beatdown. Would have been fine if he'd have stopped there, but the dude pulled his mask off and coughed intentionally on the elder gentleman. Once the elevator stopped, dude got dead on his ass. OG put those Fifth Ward bees on him. Now, after he got whooped, dude drug him off the elevator. It's the old dude, drug him off the elevator. And he got back on with his woman. And they proceeded to try to go up, and then the dude acted like he wanted to get back on again, and dude pushed him, and then they went on up. That was a fourth person, remember, on the elevator. Initially, he was one of the 3 people that was on the elevator. It was an elder couple, and then there was a younger dude. This sucker got out of the way when the fight broke out. I was certain that the old dude was about to get beat down. Old man handled his business. That was pretty good. Good work. What I want to know is, why would people intentionally cough on someone? See, I blame Donald Trump. He's the one that told people they don't need a mask, and he's the one that started sharing memes and cracking jokes about people coughing on other people. He wasn't doing anything about it. He thought it was cool. So, of course, the uncivilized who follow him thought it was cool. So he's going around coughing on people. You know that coughing on someone is an assault. That's a crime for all you law and order people. It is absolutely amazing how these same people who scream law and order, Constitution, America, are the main ones who try to circumvent the law over and over and over and over again. They're the main ones. But they want respect. They want respect, and they want to have control over themselves, and they don't want to abide by any laws that are not already on the books. In fact, they don't even want to abide by the laws that are already on the books. They want to do whatever the hell they want, independent of the law. You know why they have that mentality? Because the police, many of the police, are their friends and family members and community neighbors. They think like them. They are them. This is why they don't fear the police. The police is them. This is why they always try to deputize themselves. All these people, every last one of them think that they're a volunteer cop. Until, of course, they don't agree with what's going on and the cops show up, then they were ready to kill the cops. But in the meanwhile, they think that it's all good. They think they're cops. They love deputizing themselves. Going around coughing on people. Couldn't have been me. I wouldn't have drug him out of the elevator. I probably wouldn't have went up after I whooped him. I think what I would have done is after I immobilized him, I would have left. I think you know why. This dude got his hat brought to him. I liked the way the old dude did him. Whooped his ass, kicked him off the elevator, and then made him wait for the next elevator. He could have just did that at the beginning. He would have reached his destination without an ass whooping. But that's too much like right. No more talk.
What the haters talking about?